Well, the first ride of 2020, I came here, and now we're back on the first ride of 2021. Wow, this is really annoying. Hear that guy's in my ear? So this is Goose Pond in central New Hampshire. And I think last time I was here, there was less ice. I hear a motorcycle. Obviously, I'm not using knobbies this year. I had knobbies on last year. That's quite an angle. Look at that is about 3 degrees in the right direction. So let's fix that real quick. It looks good in pictures, but so first ride of the year, and the ice is still in. My lake actually has a little more ice than this, or we have it's still up to the shore, but it's the ice is fading fast enough for my liking. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that great? It's beautiful today. Bike's running well. You know, there's a few things on the winter to-do list I didn't do this year, and I'm happy to see that it's running okay. It's only 3 years old, so there's no reason for it to not be running okay. I'll do a proper review of this Climb Krios Pro once I've actually gotten some highway miles with it. For now, it's just first 5 miles in it, but so far I really like it. I really like it a lot for around town commuting and off-road. I'm not sure if it's going to be highway rated or not. Yeah, so it's great to have a video from last year, the exact same boat ramp. Yeah. Back on the road, I'm going to try to find a little bit of dirt, unpaved roads, and have a little bit of fun. It's going to be mud pits, and these aren't really the right tires, but I've been on worse of those tires. There we go. Yeah. Let's do some hard terrain. So I'm recording this actually after the fact. This is at home. I had a microphone in my tank bag that plugs right into the GoPro Media Mod. I just didn't hook it up. I wanted to see how well the Media Mod's external mic picked up, and it did okay, as you guys can tell from some of these clips here I'm talking. But yeah, it was a great day. Rode around in the Hanover, Etna, Canaan, New Hampshire area. Very, very goopy. It seems like I do this road every year at the start of the season, so like I would have gotten on a few weeks earlier if I had my bike ready to go, but I didn't. I dragged ass this year, and it was kind of nice to just be out in the sticks for a bit on some of the goopier stuff. I was on the Anarchy Adventures, so not even knobbies, like 80/20 tires. I thought I'd talk a little bit about the setup real quick. So this is a GoPro Hero 9 with the Media Mod, which has the external microphone, but also it has a mic in, line in, jack, which is kind of nice. I also have affixed to this the lens mod, the Max lens mod, which makes the angle much wider, but I don't need width or field of view when I need a stabilization. So you'll notice my helmet moving a lot. That what it's doing is because it's recording at 122 degrees viewing angle. When I crop it down to 2.7K, what it'll do is it will then capture the whole 122 degree angle, but when it crops down to 2.7K resolution, it means that the stabilization is insanely good. And as you guys can tell, if you look at my helmet moving around, I'm looking down a lot at my speedo or looking over my mirrors, and the stabilization for the horizon just stays perfect. Like, I have to really look down for a while for it to move a little bit. So I think I really like this media mod for if you're someone that jerks their head around a lot and wants ultimate stability. It really helps a lot with the video output, as you guys can see. This is also my first ride with the Climb Krios Pro. I'm going to wait to do a better review about that helmet after a few more miles. Just too new, but first impressions, I really love it a lot. This is also my first ride with the Cardo Pack Talk Black, and I've got to say two big things. Three things. Pairing is so much better than Senna. Volume up down is better than Senna. It's a little jog wheel, just so easy to use. And also the sound quality of those 45mm JBL speakers is insane. It sounds so freaking good. I can't go back to Senna. There's no way. This is just so good. So yeah, hugely amazing. The bike handled perfectly. No problems at all. It's been a long time since I've been on the bike. I think my last ride was mid-November, early November, and I did my iron butt ride, and then I put the bike away, and it's been sitting ever since. So it was just so great to be back on the motorcycle. The GSA is the best all-around bike you can get. It's just a perfect platform, and it's so great on these roads. I just love it. I'm going to be riding the GSA a lot this month because I'm getting ready to go down to the Performance Center in Greer and do the training in 3 weeks, which I'll try to get video of. They let me have a helmet cam. What else? The video's almost over, but I just wanted to kind of shoot something today, get back on the bike, show you guys this is not just a channel that has farkles and modifications that I'm still riding. And real quick before I go, there are some links below that you guys should check out if you can. I've started publishing a motorcycle newsletter every week. It comes right to your inbox. The podcast is still going every couple months. I've got a lot of stuff with the YouTube channel, and Instagram is also working now, so feel free to check those areas out. Give them a follow or a like or whatever you guys want to do. I'm going to keep doing them anyway. I like putting out and sharing things like that, but if you're interested in these videos and you want to see more of it, I've got some other stuff going now. It's so nasty. And I was going to go through this. I was going to cut over, and I saw the car. I'm like, I'm just going to come to a stop and wait for the car to go past. The Husky is waiting for a couple more parts before I'm done with the build, although there's like 40 or so modifications already queued up video-wise, but the bike's almost done. And I'm looking forward to riding that thing. Last thing, actually, I should link to it below, but the Rides and Wanderings 2021 thread is live, so if you want to see the list of events I'm going to in 2021 and follow along as those happen, join Adventure Rider and watch that thread, because it's a good place to see. I like to tell stories. It'll be the GPX file, the photo, and the video. It'll be my 3rd year in a row doing the Rides and Wandering thread, and I think people really like it a lot. All right, it's getting late, so I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate it. It was happy 2021. Hope you all are well. Hope everyone's safe. And I look forward to seeing all of you out on the road this year. It was a rough year, so I miss you guys, and I look forward to seeing everyone. Okay, ride safe. Take care of yourself.